How to download and install the Intel HD graphics driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. But before installing the Intel HD graphics driver, make sure to check your PC and then go to its properties to check for the system information. So once you have visited this PC, right click on it, go to the properties and check for both of the information. After that, you can forward for the download and install. So first of all, write down the Intel i3 or whatever your driver is for the Windows 10 or 11 as per your PC information. Tap on the Intel download link from where you can see various key issued, known issues as well as all the features and contents of the package. You can also check the operating system, and once you have verified all, you can just tap on the download button. After that, you can just click on the downloaded file from the download section and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.